can't believe it. I can't believe we finally have our own house. We've been waiting for this for so long, and it's finally happening. It's finally happening. Hi guys, welcome back to Spaceforedit. Usually on this channel we talk about all the things that they don't teach you in design school, but you kind of have to know in real world. But today I wanted to kind of continue letting you in, taking you with me, with us on our new house journey. And yeah, I wanted to just post a vlog that I filmed a few months back now, and just to show you a completely empty house tour before we did anything at all. It was the very first day, so yeah, I was very excited at that point. At the moment the excitement has just kind of worn down a little bit, so obviously I was so excited that I forgot to film an intro, so a very laid back intro to this video. Excuse about the whole echo and some weird angles. I'm still trying to get around vlogging as I don't do it that often. So yeah, just bear with, just sit back, relax, enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, let's get on to the video. So, I believe it is 5th of September, I think. And this is the day after we got the keys. Everything was signed off, all the monies were transferred, and yeah, we came for the first look. And this is the morning after. We are getting straight into it. There's a little bits that need doing, and we technically only got a week to be comfortable. Yeah, we got a lot to do, so I thought I'll just take you around today. I've been rushing to get here before everyone else, before the help arrives, just because, oh, I hope they're not there now. No, we're clear for a few more minutes. Yeah, so I just wanted to get here before everyone else and before we've done anything at all to the house. So we get an eyes before and after. Let's have a little walk through and see what this place is about. So behind me, that's our little porch situation there. It needs a lot of work doing there. It's literally the worst wallpaper job ever, in my opinion. And yeah, that's gonna come off. A little fun thing here. Let me just show you. This little recess situation that we've got going on there, that is just plain chipboard. Absolutely no break, no nothing, literally plain chipboard. We think that that was supposed to be maybe a space for a window, that possibly something happened to the window, maybe something happened to the plans to replace the window. Yeah, so the last owners have been living literally with a chipboard wall, an exterior chipboard wall. Insane. And then the carpet situation down here, you can see obviously it's patched up, but there's a proper tile under there. A nice little tile. The only thing is that they haven't finished it off nicely. So what we will do for now, we'll just take off this awful mess and finish it off and just make it nice and tidy, because who wants a bloody carpet right at the entryway, at the doorway? So there we got the stairs going up. I love the fact that we've got so much space behind there, and I would love to take off the door and the panel, glass panel, because then you got like a nice open plan entry, which is absolutely a dream for houses in the UK. It is an actual dream to have a nice open porch, or even to have an option for a porch, because usually you just go straight in and then you get the staircase and then you kind of can go into the house a bit further away. So for us to have this open situation is great. I can't wait to just get rid of that and have a nice open plan. Okay, let's go into the main area. So when we first came to see the house, this room, living room, and the conservatory was something that we fell in love with straight away. just because there's so much space, it's so open, and we could just see like this being the heart of the house with guests around. Yeah, we just loved it, and all the light that's coming in from the back is just insane. I'm not a big fan of the sliding door, but we're just gonna have to deal with it for now until we can maybe replace it. But can't wait. We're gonna have a big, large L-shaped sofa around here, and armchairs, and Christmas tree when Christmas comes, because it's not too far away now. It's only 3 months or so. So yeah, we absolutely love this place. And then the situation here, there's too many doors, literally 3 doors on one wall. Who does that? Anyways, so what we're gonna do is we'll take out both of these. We'll probably leave the frame for now. I'm not gonna do much, but you can see when the doors are out and the kitchen's all open, it just completely transforms the space. You can be in the kitchen, doing the dinner, making brews, you can still have that feeling, that connection with people in the living room. I've always been a fan of that. I don't like rooms being separate. I'm pretty much into open plans everywhere. And the kitchen. The kitchen is probably, like, it's not bad, it's not awful, but it's definitely not my style, and it's definitely not been planned correctly. Apparently it's brand new, well, brand new-ish. The owners before the previous owners have redone the kitchen only 3 years ago. So technically it's a newish kitchen, it's just really bad design. So many things wrong about it. Look around, it is grey everywhere, on the tiles, on the units, on the floor. It is just a grey everywhere, and it's gloss. I'm not a big fan of glossy surfaces, but again, we'll just have to live for it, they'll live with it for now, and then we'll try to make something fabulous out of this space. So yeah, that's the kitchen. So the conservatory we absolutely love. It's probably the size of, oh, let me just adjust you. It's probably the size of our living room, really. It's huge, and the views, what we get, okay, like at the moment the garden is in a great state, even though the previous owner said that it's his pride and joy. So I don't know about that, but garden is going to be a project for next year, for next season. We're just gonna ride it out. We'll clean it up quickly, but we'll just ride it out until next summer and next spring. But this space, just look around. Look at that. All that greenery. The only thing that we don't quite like, let me just catch it, is the neighbors. We can kind of little bit see them there, but I think we're just gonna sort out some greenery there, put like a nice fast growing bush that's just gonna hide it a little bit. But you know, over there on that side, nothing, no one is overlooking, and that is a big deal in the UK. Usually all the gardens are overlooked, at least from some angle. And then this next door neighbor, we've got a lot of like big trees there. We can't really see that house at all. So that's why I was saying that on this side we really want to do something similar so we get more privacy. But yeah, here in the conservatory, obviously there's a lot of work to be done here. We need to get rid of that green, and there's no actual heating here, even though there's some sort of a ventilation aircon situation going on there, but we are pretty sure that that doesn't work. But yeah, in here we're gonna have, in this corner, we will have a nice L-shaped bench type seating, and then a dining table with a couple of chairs. And over in this corner here, I want to have my little reading corner with an armchair and things like that. This is going to be like the dining area, I guess. Dining, chill out, get away from the noise and madness area. That's the ground floor done. Let's get upstairs. So as you can see, the bathroom is pretty much standard size, what you get in the UK houses. It's a tiny, tiny little room. No real room for anything spectacular. The good thing and the bad thing about this place is that It's literally just been done. I think it was literally when we came to see the house, the old house owners have just finished doing up the bathroom. So I'm guessing it needed some work for them to be able to sell the house for a better price. So that's what they've done, and again, it's not what I would go for ever. But you know, it's fresh, it's just been done, so we are probably not going to be doing much changes here for now until we can invest some more money into the place. So for now it will have to do, but there's definitely some zhuzhing up, some TLC is needed in this place. We'll figure it out. So this is bedroom number 1 with lovely blue wall that has had an awful paint job, and the skirting boards here are just insane, like insane in a bad way. So that is like one of the first jobs that we are doing. We are sorting out all the skirting boards everywhere and just giving all the walls a lick of paint, just plain white for now until I figure out what to do. This is a nice sized bedroom and we've got a beautiful view out to the cemetery. So it is a dead good view. We've got a joke going on around here that it's a dead good view. But you know what? It's a well looked after cemetery and people seem to be taking care of it, so it's not like overgrown or anything like that. At least it's going to be peaceful, right? We're excited. We are currently planning that this is going to be our main bedroom and the one next doors will be as a spare and a guest room slash office. Lots of work to do here, but we're excited because it's definitely a lot bigger than the bedroom that we've had for the last 4 years. So a little bit more room to breathe. And then in the next one, it's pretty much a similar size. It's a little bit longer. So this room, technically it's bigger, so you would kind of naturally want to pick it as your main bedroom. But the thinking behind this is that I didn't really want to have the street right next to our bedroom. So I was happy to just take the smaller room and have that smaller room and then leave this as a guest room. Plus this needs to double as an office space, so down there in that corner I'm just going to have my desk set up with the screen and everything, and then in this corner here we will just have the bed. Possibly we're thinking about rejigging the hinges on this door so it opens up towards the wall instead of towards the room, just for a little bit of a nicer flow. I feel like that makes more sense. So anyways, around there I'm thinking of my vanity and hair and makeup stuff. So I would get dressed in the main bedroom and then I would come and get ready in this room. That's the plan. And the last bedroom is the smallest one. It's going to be for the smallest member of our family. This is our princess's nursery and room, probably for the first few years of her life for sure, until she wants to spread out and move into the bigger room. It's a really good sized room for the smallest room. Again, compared to other houses in the UK, the smallest rooms, or the box rooms, are quite small. They are literally called box rooms for a reason, and the one that we've got here, the third smallest room, is actually quite big, which we were really happy with. And I'm super happy with this little extra storage space. It just means that we don't have to buy another wardrobe. Every little helps, doesn't it? So I'm happy about that. Decent sized room. There's gonna be plenty of space for the little one to play in and just have her own space. I grew up sharing my bedroom with my brother till I was 10 years old. He was 15, 14. That was not the most pleasant experience, so I'm happy that we will have enough space for even 2 children in here. Who knows? Who knows? So that is it for the quick house tour for now. I think we've got plenty of insights for what the space looked like before. So I'm super excited to see how it's gonna look after. Well, first of all, there's gonna be like a medium stage where we will just get everything kind of fixed up and looking good. Giving a lick of paint, getting rid of all of these not so nice wall colors and just moving in with the furniture that we already have. And then we will slowly start to bring in new furniture and new wall coverings and just, you know, starting to implement the design, which I kind of have a vision for, but I have not figured it out yet. So that's where we are, just first of all going in with plain white walls. Probably, hopefully, within these next 2 weeks we can change the flooring in here and maybe in the conservatory. I don't know, that will be a push for the budget, but yeah, the flooring here is laminate flooring and you can just see that it needs to be changed ASAP. It's served its time. Laminate floorings, just don't do it. Go for vinyl or go for real wood. So yeah, that's the plan. Are you excited? I'm so excited, guys. I can't believe it. I can't believe we finally have our own house. We've been waiting for this for so long and it's finally happening. It's finally happening. So yeah, I guess I will see you in the next video, in the next vlog, when, you know, there's gonna be more action going on here. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you get notifications whenever the videos come out. And that is it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.